When your Sceptre gaming monitor won't turn on, systematic diagnosis is essential. We'll start by examining the power LED status, then verify all power connections. First, locate the power LED on your Sceptre monitor. This small indicator light provides crucial diagnostic information about your monitor's power state. No LED indicates complete power failure, typically caused by a faulty power adapter or internal power supply unit. A solid blue or white LED means power is reaching the monitor normally. The problem likely lies with the input signal or cable connection. A blinking LED suggests the monitor is in standby mode, or a protection circuit has been activated to prevent damage. A red LED indicates an error state, often caused by overheating or internal system errors requiring immediate attention. Next, we need to systematically verify all power connections to eliminate the most common causes of power failure. Start by testing your monitor with different power outlets to rule out electrical supply issues. Carefully inspect the power cable for any physical damage, including cuts, kinks, or exposed wiring that could interrupt power flow. For external power adapters, verify the voltage output matches your monitor's requirements, typically 12 or 19 volts. Finally, examine the power port on your monitor for loose connections or physical damage that could prevent proper power delivery. These power and connection diagnostics identify approximately 80% of monitor issues. Systematic checking can save time and prevent unnecessary repairs. When power connections are confirmed working, the next step is systematically checking cables and input sources. This methodical approach resolves most remaining display issues. Step 1. Test your cables systematically. Start by trying different HDMI or DisplayPort cables, as cable degradation is extremely common and often invisible to visual inspection. Step 2. Manually cycle through input sources using your monitor's physical buttons. Many monitors get stuck on the wrong input or fail to auto-detect properly. Step 3. Test with different source devices. Connect a laptop, gaming console, or another computer to isolate whether the issue is with your primary device or the monitor itself. Step 4. Check your graphics card output settings. Update your graphics drivers and verify display settings in Windows or your operating system's display configuration. Step 5. For newer Sceptre models with USB-C power delivery, ensure the USB-C connection properly transmits both power and data. Use certified cables and check that your device supports the required power output. Following this systematic cable and input troubleshooting approach resolves approximately 70% of remaining display issues. If these steps don't work, the problem likely requires professional diagnosis or component replacement.